What happens when you give dogs Pop Rocks? Let's see if you'll eat it first. Eat it, Ross Jr. Come on.
Oh, you can't have tropical punch.
Here, open up. Ah.
No, a tropical punch. You know what?
Roscoe, come here. Roscoe, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Have some. Mmm.
Except for one. One's just syrup. One sec.
You like those, Junior? What are you doing? Why?
Only one in there.
Okay.
Okay, what? What?
You like that for Junior?
What? Move that, move
You like that, Junior?
Wait, what?
I guess he
What
likes
did
them.
you say?
I guess he likes them. I don't know if he can handle them. Or, I know what happens to him, but I hope he's gonna die. I don't know. See you later, Junior. Thank you for eating my Pop Rocks. Here's the finished thing. I guess dogs do like Pop Rocks. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.